Good day, everyone. This is Teacher, and welcome to New Vision International School online teaching. Now, for today's lesson in math, we are going to study about subtraction. But before that, let's know first the learning objectives for this lesson. So, at the end of the period, the students are expected to subtract numbers using finger method, to find the difference, and to write the numerals correctly. So the materials needed for this lesson, we have number 1, I want you to take out your Rainbow Math Book Volume 2. Second is your pencil. And the third is your math notebook for solving. Okay, so last time you learned about subtracting numbers using pictures. Now in this illustration, you can see there are 5 candies. So you have here your first number, which is number 5. You can also see here the minus sign. It means to take away. And in this illustration also, you can see 2 X's. So you have here number 2. It means these are the objects that you take away. And you can see the equal sign. Okay. And number 3, these are the candies left in the group. Okay, so you have your 5 minus 2 equals 3. So subtraction can be written this way or this way. Now this time we are going to learn subtracting numbers without pictures. Okay, so how can we subtract numbers without pictures? So first, I want you to show me your hands and open your hands like this. Did you open your hands now? Okay. Raise up your fingers and show me your hands this way. Okay. Now the first finger will serve as your number 1. The second finger will be your number 2. The third finger will be your number 3. The fourth finger will be your number 4. This one will be number 5. This finger will be number 6. And this finger will be number 7. And this one will be number 8. And this one will be number 9. And the last finger will be your number 10. Okay. Now if I will tell you to show me your one finger, okay, your hand should be like this. So this one, you have here only one finger that is raised. So you can see only one finger here. So this is number 1. So it means there is only one finger here. Okay. This one will be your number 2. So you can see there are 2 fingers are raised. And this finger will be your number 3. Okay, so your hands or your fingers will look like this. 1, 2, 3. This will be number 4. And this will be number 5. Okay, so you have here 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have number 5. Okay. Suppose you are going to subtract 5 minus 2. Now, in subtracting this or in solving this problem, we need to follow the 3 steps. Okay. Number 1, step 1 is you are going to put the first number on your fingers. So since the first number here is number 5, okay? So this first number, we are going to put it on your fingers. So your hand will look like this. Okay. So you are going to raise up your 5 fingers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So step 2, you are going to fold your fingers for the numbers that you take away. So since we have here minus 2, it means you are going to take away 2. So this 1, 2. The 2 fingers here, we are going to take away. So it means the 2 numbers here, you are going to fold. So your hand will look like this. Okay. So step 3, you have here the number that is left on your hand after you take away will be your answer. So since you have 3 fingers here left, so it means that 3 is the answer. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. So you have here 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will give you another example. Okay, suppose you are going to subtract 5 minus 1. So again, the step 1, put the first number on your fingers. So what is the first number? Yes, the first number is 5. So this time, you need to show your 5 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now the step 2, again, you are going to fold your fingers for the numbers that you take away. So here you have 5 minus 1. So it means you take 1 finger or you fold the 1 finger. So this finger you are going to fold. And your hands will look like this. Okay. So again, step 3, the number that is left on your hand after you take away will be your answer. So these are the fingers left on your hand. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay. Now this time, I want you to open your Rainbow Math book on page 81. So this time, we are going to answer the following subtraction sentence. Okay. So the first, you have here 5 minus 3. Okay, so first, show me your 5 fingers. Open your hands. So your hands will look like this. The first number is 5, so you need to put the first number on your fingers. So you need to have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Minus 3. It means we are going to fold your 3 fingers. So we take away 1, 2, 3. Okay. So your hands will look like this. So these are the 3 fingers that you fold. And don't forget that the number that is left on your hand after you take away will be your answer. So these are the fingers left on your hand. So let's count. You have 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, now let's take the next number. We have 4 minus 2. So again, put the first number on your fingers. So since the first number is 4, you need to show me your 4 fingers. Like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we take away 2. It means you are going to fold your 2 fingers. So we take away 2. 1, 2. And your hands will look like this. Okay. So the number that is left on your hand after you take away will be your answer. So how many fingers left? We have 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay. So, okay, KGs, I think you can answer this alone. You just ask your mom or dad's help so that they can guide you in answering. Teacher will give you time for you to solve these numbers. Okay, so are you done? So this time, let's check your answer. Okay, so again, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 4 minus 2 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 4 minus 1 equals 3. So I hope your answers are all correct. Okay, let's go to the next page now. Now this time, I want you to open your book on page 82. Okay, this time we are going to answer the following subtractions. So the first number here, we have 8 minus 2. So again, don't forget the 3 steps. First step, or step 1, you need to put the first number on your fingers. So what is the first number here? We have 8. So your fingers will look like this. Okay, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, minus 2. So step 2, you need to fold your fingers for the numbers that you take away. So since we take away 2 here, so we need to take away 2 fingers. So this and this. So your hand will look like this. So this time you're going to fold 2 fingers now. Okay. So step 3, the number that is left on your hand after you take away will be your answer. So how many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay, so this time I want you to answer this alone. You just ask your dad or mom's help so they can guide you in answering. And then teacher will give you time for you to solve all this problem. Okay, so are you done? Okay, this time we are going to check your answers. Okay, so again we have 8 minus 2 equals 6. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 6 minus 2 equals 4. So I hope your answers are all correct. So this time, let's answer now your worksheet. So let's answer your worksheet number 3. Okay, you have here your name. So you need to write your name here. Don't forget to follow the 3 lines in writing your name. So if your name is Mia, you can write your name here on the line. Okay, like this. You need to follow the 3 lines. And if you belong to KG2B, you are going to circle B here. Or if you belong to section A, you can circle KG2A here. Okay. Okay. So let's take number 1. So this time we are going to complete the subtraction sentence. So in number 1, in the first box, we have here turtles. So first, you have 7 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, we have 7 turtles. 7 minus 1. So we take away 1. Okay. So after that, we are going to count the number of turtles left. So these are the turtles without X. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1 equals 6. Okay, so this time I want you to answer this alone. You just ask your dad or mom's help so they can guide you in answering. And teacher will give you time for you to solve. Okay, so are you done? So this time, let's check your work. So in number 1, again, you have 7 turtles. 7 minus 1, it means you take 1 turtle. So the number of turtles left are 6. So you have 7 minus 1 equals 6. Now here in the second box, we have 5 minus 5 equals 0. And here, number 3, we have 4 minus 2 equals 2. So it means there are 4 cats. We take away 2 cats, and there are 2 cats left. So that's why your answer here is 2. Okay. Now we have here 5 minus 3 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 10 minus 10 equals 0. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. So I hope your answers are all correct. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy your lesson in math. So don't forget, I want you to take, or I just ask mom or dad to take a picture on the pages that you answered and send it to WhatsApp so teacher can check your work. So here's my big smile to brighten up your day. Enjoy studying. Bye bye and God bless.